Lakewood Elementary, Shelley Clark, principal here, and we are enjoying open house night. We have lots of parents and students coming out to meet their teacher and tour the school. We're ready for the 2022-23 school year, and if any parents have any questions or concerns about anything here at Lakewood, they can feel free to contact me, Ms. Hodge, or Ms. Kerr in the front office at Lakewood 270-862-4516.
I'm Tina McGuffin. I drive 1953. I work for Hardin County Transportation. I'm a bus driver. We're here today to greet our children back to school. Each bus driver is out here to make sure that we get the right kids on the right bus, hopefully, and let the parents know when to pick them up and where to be at their stop and what time, close to their time. And if you need to, for any information or anything, you can always contact the schools, and then the schools will contact us to let us know what's going on. If we need an extra stop, or we need to pick up a new kid or something that we missed or something, you can call the office and they will get with us bus drivers and let us know. But we're excited to get back to work. So yes.
Hi, my name is Cheris Calden. I'm the Family Resource Center Coordinator here at Lakewood Elementary. And I was asked to talk about maybe some upcoming events or some services that you may know of or need yourself. So I thought, what better time than now? So here at the center at Lakewood, our mission is to remove the non-cognitive barriers to education. So let's just say you or someone you know may need school supplies. Well, call the school and ask for the FRC, and we'll try to get you linked up with services that will obtain things such as school supplies or clothing or housing, shelter, basic needs, things of that sort. So we offer that service. We also work with the Watchdogs program, which is our Dads of Great Students program. We're probably going to have a kickoff for that event, I'd say around September, so be on the lookout for that. It's a wonderful free program that our students here at Lakewood absolutely adore and love. Other than that, we do have some parenting classes. We're calling parenting cafes. They're going to be coming out. We collaborated with other elementary and middle and high schools here in the South End to offer that service at different sites. So kind of be on the lookout for that information. Other than that, if you're not sure and you have questions about things in the community or what maybe the center can or can't do, please give us a call. You can call the school at 270-862-4516 and just ask for Cheris.
Hi, this is Sherry from Lakewood Elementary, and we are trying to get the SAC program down here up and running. Down in this area, there's no child cares, and this is perfect for when after in the afternoons when the schools lets out and they need child care. What is SAC? Is school-age child care. So it's for the older children, and we gear it more for their age level. What we do is normally they have snack when they get here in the afternoons, and then after that we usually do some kind of craft, and then we have outdoor play. We go to the gym. There's all kinds of things we do, and it's geared for their age. If you want to enroll your child, you'll need to go to the Hardin County website, the school website, and look it up, and the applications and everything is there. So you just fill it out, send it in to Amy Wood. She's over the child care part, and we'll go from there. I think it's amazing to see all the kids in the SAC program. This past summer, we did a summer program for them, and we had a ball. We did all kinds of activities, and that's what I'm going to hope to do for this school year. We're going to try to do as many activities as we can with the children, whether it be go on nature walks, you can do walking field trips. We can go outside to the gym. We've got other places to go play. all the things that we do now is because of your children. With your children being enrolled in the afternoon programs, that helps us fund for more things for them to do. Whether it be take a walk to Lakers and get milkshakes, because we actually did that this summer, or we've gone to the fire department and visited with them, and the junior firefighters had come out and worked with the children. They let them try on the uniforms. Several guest speakers come down and talk with the kids. So these things can carry over to the after-school program as well.
I'm Amy Atcher. I'm a preschool teacher at Lakewood Elementary School. And what parents should expect when they send their kiddos to preschool is for a fun, quality learning environment. And we plan on filling the children with lots of joy. That's our go-to theme this year. We will teach them how to play and share and all of the fun things that we get to do in preschool. Anything else, ladies?
And we'll take care of your kids and love them like our own.